Facebook Marketplace is a feature on the Facebook platform that allows users to buy and sell items within their local community. It is a free service and allows users to browse listings, message sellers, and make transactions directly on the platform. To use Facebook Marketplace, users must have an active Facebook account. Once logged in, they can access the feature by clicking on the Marketplace icon on the left sidebar of the Facebook homepage. From there, they can browse listings, search for specific items or sellers, and post their own items for sale. When a user posts an item for sale, they can include a title, description, price, and photos of the item. They can also set the location of the item and specify whether the item is available for pickup or delivery. Once an item is posted, it is visible to other users in the same location who can then contact the seller to ask questions or make an offer. If a buyer is interested in an item, they can message the seller directly, either through the Facebook Marketplace feature or through the Facebook Messenger app. Users can also rate their experience after buying or selling items on the platform. These ratings help to build trust between buyers and sellers, which is important for the growth of the marketplace.